here we go. We got a matchup. AC Mack, born and raised in the swamps of Atlanta, Georgia. And we got
Sandstorm.
Coyote Sandstorm.
Apparently he was raised in a post-apocalyptic swamp. I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm not too sure, but it looks like he's got him in a good wrist lock now.
Nice wrist lock. Nice wrist lock.
But did you learn that in the post-apocalyptic world, or did you just?
He had to. Very old school move. Oh, AC Mack taking control with a nice side headlock. Transitions to a headlock takeover.
And let me tell you something, these might be the two biggest loudmouths in the WWA4. Oh, and a nice kip up there, showing some athleticism.
Coyote Sandstorm, new to the WWA4. He's only been training with us for a couple of months now, man, but he's took pretty much the WWA4 by storm.
Oh, you can tell he's been training with the best in the business, AR Fox, I'll tell you what.
Absolutely, absolutely. If you want to train, nice back drop. Like I was saying, if you want to train, then come on down to the WWA4 here in Atlanta, Georgia.
Just gets a 1 count there, AC Mack does. Telling him, come on, get up.
Ooh, nice.
Big fist to the face.
Oh! Another strike to the head.
Shut him down. I'll tell you what, this Coyote Sandstorm, he is resilient. So far, he's undefeated.
Undefeated.
WWA4 minus 1 scrap battle. Besides that, he is undefeated.
Oh, he moved out of the way of those knees. Ducks the line. Oh!
Big back elbow.
Back elbow.
By AC Mack. That's vintage AC Mack right there.
Caught him right on the chin.
And a kick out at 2 again. This crowd getting behind AC Mack here. This crowd is cutting halftime.
Oh!
Just yelling in AC Mack's face. Goes for a kick to the gut, he catches it. Oh, and a big forearm.
Oh, another
one rocks him.
And another one.
Into the ropes now. Here we go, Irish whip, reverse it. By Coyote Sandstorm.
Ducks the line.
And another one. My God.
Oh. Sandstorm. And a big drop kick.
Coyote Sandstorm, I tell you what, he's been wrestling here, what, 5-6 weeks now. He has improved tenfold, I'll tell you what.
And he has AC Mack in trouble right now.
AC Mack is a former 2-time WWA4 heavyweight champion. I just want to point that out, ladies and gentlemen.
The longest reigning.
That's right.
World champion of the new era.
Kicked him right in the face.
Action is spilled to the outside. Coyote's in trouble right now.
The referee has begun counting. What do you do? Wait, whoa, don't bring him over here. 3. Irish. Oh! Whip into the ring. I'll tell you what, that's the hardest part of the ring.
Hardest part of the ring.
So I've heard, I've been told. 5. AC Mack asking to be ready.
Putting a young rookie to the test right now.
7.
They got to count to 7 right now. You better get him back in the ring.
Back in. I'll tell you what, AC Mack, he's one of the best at the WWA4 right now. You can tell just by how he's pacing this match. This is at his pace right now. It's not at Coyote Sandstorm's pace.
When you start working at AC Mack,
my God, what a scoop.
He's real methodical. He takes his time, he dissects his opponents, and he works at his own pace. You get him like that, it's no stopping Mack.
Yeah, hooks the far leg, smart. You see a lot of people here, or everywhere, be hooking the close leg. AC Mack smart, getting across the body, hooking that far leg.
Veteran mentality right there.
There you go, picking him up. What's he gonna do? Oh, big shot from Coyote Sandstorm to the gut. Oh, hitting him in the face, my God.
Oh, another one.
Backing him into the corner.
Is this enough for Coyote to make
and a big knee to the chest right there.
Oh!
Big lariat. Shades of Stan Hansen right there with that lariat. 1, 2, and his foot on the rope.
Well, that's a smart move right there by the young rookie in Sandstorm.
That's right.
He knew his ring awareness, and he was able to get that foot on the rope.
I tell you what, that's signs of improvement right there. Knowing where you're at in the ring, so important in a wrestling match.
Come on, Sandstorm.
but doesn't do much effect.
Took him to the bottom turnbuckle.
My God, have you ever seen anybody whip someone so hard he falls into the bottom turnbuckle?
The bottom turnbuckle, man. That's a first.
I'll tell you what, we repaired these bottom ropes this morning actually.
And it's getting to work right now.
That's right.
Oh, almost caught the
Got
ref.
away there, but...
Oh,
Big side slam, corporate cane, 2, and a kick out at 2 by Coyote Sandstorm. Fighting, look at the resilience, look at the fight on Coyote Sandstorm's face. I'll tell you what, he may not be the most experienced here, but he may have the most heart of anybody here at the WWA4.
He has to, because that was a big sidewalk slam. If we had instant replay, I have to look at that again. If you're at home on YouTube, make sure you rewind that and check that out again. That was huge. The crowd getting behind Sandstorm. He's fighting up. Oh, another elbow shot. It's enough to break away. Can he capitalize?
And a big forearm to the face. Oh. Going for a kick to the head. Oh, cool boy.
Oh.
Wait a second. Going for perhaps a Boston Crab.
Sandstorm's blocking it with that arm.
Split. Oh, small package 1, 2. Oh, that could have been it.
Almost had it.
Going up again. Here we go. 1. Oh, and a kick out.
Oh. Oh.
1, 2. Oh, he almost got him with that crucifix pin there. AC Mack says that was 2, right? That was 2, right? Coyote Sandstorm firing up now. What does he got? Ducks the clothesline. Oh.
Knee to the head. Oh, punch. Kick.
Catches it.
Caught him.
Corporate cane. Oh.
The corporate cane reference.
Oh man, the corporate cane almost got him there. Almost ended the match.
No, corporate cane. Shout out to Kane.
Shout out to Kane, I'll tell you what.
Next mayor of Knoxville.
AC Mack picking him up here. Going for it here. Oh, and a big super kick to the face. And out of the leg. Oh, big knee. That could have knocked him out, but Coyote landing him with a DDT. Hooking the leg. 1, 2. Oh, kick out by AC Mack.
Hey, that was a unique pin right there. Put all his weight on AC Mack's shoulders and still hit the leg. That was good.
If he kicked out, he was going to have to force.
He's going to have to work for it, yeah. That could have took more energy out of Mack than he probably wanted to use. Mack with a big boot up. That stuns Coyote Sandstorm. Oh!
Big diving reverse bulldog. Something along those lines could have knocked Coyote out right there. My God, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the WWA4. 2 competitors, 2 fighters going at it right here. And you don't want to be watching anything else right now. You want to be watching the WWA4 AC Mack, Coyote Sandstorm, 1-on-1.
That's right. Classic rookie versus veteran, man, and it's a good one so far. Oh, big forearm. Oh, a double kick. Oh,
double clothesline.
Double line.
The AC Mack moving those fingers there, making sure they're still feeling in his arms and his hands.
2, 3.
Both these men just fatigued, just exhausted. It's hot in here. We're in Atlanta, ladies and gentlemen. It stays hot down here.
5.
These men are beat.
They're gasping for air. The air is real dense. The humidity is making it hard for them to breathe. They're at a count of 8. 7. Mack.
This could be it.
Building up. Sandstorm is still down. Mack. Oh!
Spin runs up, stays the Booker T there, and
whoa!
ducks the line from Coyote.
Oh, drop
kick by AC Mack.
Oh!
Booker T.
Coyote doesn't know where he's at right now.
Oh,
reverse. Oh, passes
Gets a Marufuji there. And a big...
Oh,
Gee, my God. Coyote Sandstorm may be out. That might be it. Luckily, he fell into the rope, so AC Mack is going to have to drag him back to the middle here. 1, 2. Oh! Almost had him. Almost.
Look at Mack's face. Mack
I'll tell
can't
you what,
believe it.
if that was another referee, that might have been 3.
Mack cannot believe it.
I don't know, Sean. Maybe this guy needs to keep going to ref school a little more, because I think that was 3.
It looked like 3 to me. But Mack has to be impressed by the rookie Sandstorm.
Let's see here, what is he going for? Going for that Boston Crab, perhaps? Rolls him over, man.
Oh! And he's sitting down on it. He's got it cinched in. Sandstorm, agonizing pain.
Let's see what
Mack
cries for help.
Mack has it. He's calling for it.
He says he can do it. He says he can do it. Will he get to the bottom row?
Look at the pain in his eyes.
Inches away.
Oh, he got it. Sandstorm. And the crowd behind Sandstorm. Sandstorm with so much heart, so much resiliency. Mack is pulling out everything, literally everything in his trade book right now.
Shot to the head. AC Mack just kind of shrugs it off, says, "That's all you got, kid." He said he's gonna mess him up. That's
Oh,
what he
another
said
right hand, but it's not phasing Mack. Oh, they're coming.
Both been down again. AC Mack just
AC Mack with a smile on his face.
laughing at the rookie Coyote Sandstorm. Just says, "Really? I can't believe you've gotten this far, but this is gonna be it, kids."
Mack snatches him up.
See what we got here. Northern Light suplex.
Oh, the roll through.
Haven't seen that from AC Mack in a while. Picking him up now. Going for perhaps a second. Oh!
Falcon Arrow.
Arrow right there. Here we go. 1, 2.
And Sandstorm kicks out again.
Again, the resiliency of this kid. AC Mack saying this is a joke. I don't think this is a joke, AC Mack. This is Coyote Sandstorm.
I think Mack is getting frustrated. That could be Mack's downfall right now. That could be Mack's downfall. He's frustrated. Sandstorm with the forearm. It's not phasing Mack. Oh!
And a big kick to the back of the head.
Jeez.
If that didn't knock out Coyote Sandstorm, I don't know what will. AC Mack may be getting a little arrogant here, yelling at the referee. I think he should pin him.
Sandstorm.
Just getting a little arrogant, saying this is it.
Sandstorm has been in this rings match for over 15 minutes. He probably reached his limit. He's exhausted. Oh! Maybe I spoke too soon. Oh!
Big knee.
Oh!
DDT, that might be it. That might be it. 1, 2.
Oh, and
Mack kicking out
Mack with
at 2.
Mack with some resiliency of his own.
My God, don't forget, that's the former 2-time WWA4 heavyweight champion.
Longest reigning WWA4 champion
That's right.
of the new era.
That's right.
Sandstorm, is he calling for it? Is he calling for his patented finisher?
Getting the crowd behind him, getting the crowd hyped.
Oh,
For that DDT, but
Mack
no.
catches him.
Brings him back to his shoulder.
Oh!
Into the top turnbuckle. Going for the Mack 10. Mack 10. Mack 10. This is Oh! Got cocky there. Might cost him 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Coyote Sandstorm remains undefeated here at the WWA4.
He just beat a 2-time WWA4 champion, the longest reigning WWA4 champion of the new era.
AC Mack's face, you can't believe it.
Wow, what a match. Mack gonna shake his hand.